and welcome to E-News of IPR Department. I'm Manisha. Here are some news headlines. Chief Minister appreciated and congratulated the frontline warriors of Sikkim. The total tally of active COVID-19 positive cases to 63 in Sikkim. Meeting with the CMO and doctors of the district hospital Mangan, chaired by Roads and Bridges Minister. Meeting chaired by Minister Land Revenue and Disaster Management at North regarding Mangan Bajar's landslide areas. Now in details. Honorable Chief Minister appreciated and congratulated the frontline warriors who have been working tirelessly since day one and their indomitable will to serve their state and its people. He reiterated that Sikkim is capable of handling the situation and cooperation from our citizens is all we require. He expressed his happiness on discharge of the first 2 positive patients of COVID-19 in the state from STNM Sochagang on 13 June. He urged every Sikkimese to pray for the speedy recovery of other positive cases and especially for the safety of our frontline warriors, and requested every citizen to be cautious now and more than ever and continue adhering to the guidelines for their own safety and their loved ones. As per latest COVID-19 health bulletin issued by DG Cum Secretary Health, 5 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in Sikkim. This takes the total tally of active COVID-19 positive cases to 63. Out of the 5 cases, 2 are from East District and 3 from West District. It was informed that all 5 persons are reported to be asymptomatic and have been shifted to COVID-19 isolation ward of STNM Hospital. All the 3 quarantine centers have been converted into containment zones. All the primary contacts and persons placed in the same quarantine centers have been tested and they have all been reported negative. The samples of the drivers of all the 12 buses ferrying the passengers who tested positive in the past 2 days have been sent for testing. It was also informed that samples of frontline workers lending their service at the borders and screening camps totaling about 190 are being tested. All the frontline workers will be tested in a phased manner in the coming days, it was informed. Minister for Roads and Bridges, Culture Affairs and Heritage Department Sri Samdup Lepcha had a meeting with the CMO and doctors of the district hospital Mangan to check the preparedness of arrangements for COVID-19 pandemic as well to take stock of hospital shortages on 13 June. During the meeting, CMO North Dr. Purna Basnet placed some demands on behalf of district hospital. Minister Samdup Lepcha assured that whatever demand have been placed would be fulfilled gradually. Minister for Land Revenue and Disaster Management and Education Department Sri Kunga Nima Lepcha chaired a meeting at Chamber of the District Collector North regarding Mangan Bajar's landslide areas. Minister Sri Lepcha, stating the landslide area is in worse condition, he instructed all the stakeholders to expedite work of restoration as it is almost getting delayed. He assured that the meeting is basically conducted to ensure the safety of Mangan Bajar and to make North District a model district. In order to achieve better result, he urged all the concerned department needs to work in tandem with each other and quality work is a big factor that leads true sense of development, he added. He also urged to the BRO officers to get prior consent of the local public or concerned panchayat members before mentioning name of any place in any signboards. Honorable Minister also visited landslide areas at SNT complex areas after the meeting. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates. Thank you.